Hi students, coming to the key concepts. So the first is the super key. So super key is nothing but it simply you call it as a key. Simple, a key. Any key you take. A key is nothing but an attribute that is present in a table. If you take one attribute, so that you call it as a super key. So a super key is nothing but it is simply a key. Let me write the definition for this. A super key is defined. It is defined as a set of attributes within a table. So within a table, a set of attributes will be there. So those attributes that can be helpful in identifying, that can uniquely identify each record within a table. This you call it as a super key. So super key is nothing but having a set of attributes. A table will be there. So in a table you are having the set of attributes. So this set of attributes within a table can uniquely identify. So with the help of ID or a phone number, suppose. So with the help of these two fields you can find a record in a table. So I want to find a particular record in a table. Okay, based on the condition, based on the key value, I'll fetch the record. So that is a super key. You don't be confused. A super key is nothing but a key. Any key. It may be a single key or a set of keys. A set of attributes within a table that can uniquely identify each record within a table. Okay. So the name cannot is not a unique. Same name can hold different people is having the same name. So that is not a unique value. ID means only a value will be unique. Means if the one person is having the roll number 24 in the same class, means in the same table, another person doesn't have the roll number 24. He may have another name. So means that you call it as a unique. So it is defined as a set of attributes within a table that can uniquely identify each record within a table. And the step, a super key is a superset of candidate key. So for all the keys, super key is a superset. So that point that you remembered. Okay. So don't be confused about the candidate key. I will explain in the next video. Actually, the super key is a superset of all the keys or a candidate key. And let me take one example for this. Here I am taking the student ID, name, phone number, age. So these are all called as attributes. Attributes in a table. So the table name is, I am giving a student. This is a student table. Means student relation. So in this student relation, the fields that are present are student ID, student name, student phone number and the student age. And coming to the tuples, the values in each row. Student ID is 1, Akhil, phone number 98237045, age is suppose 17 and the student ID is 2, and here is same student roll number 2, but he is having the same name. He is also Akhil. So in the same class, same name will be there for 2 or more people. So in my class I am having Akhil also. 2 Akhils will be there, but the first Akhil is holding the roll number 1 and he is holding, another Akhil is holding the roll number 2. 98123470 and his age is 19, and roll number 3 is Bhanu, 99632145 and his age is 18, and roll number 4 Priya, 90901234 like. So his age is 19. So this is a student table. So here a super key may be, a super key would include student ID. So what I said, attributes within a table that can uniquely identify each record. So with the help of 1, I can identify this complete Akhil record, who is holding the roll number 1. And with the help of this 3, I can identify the Bhanu record, who is holding the roll number 3. So here the student ID is a unique. So let me say, so there are so many super keys in the one table. Student ID is one super key, or else you can take the combination. I said the set of attributes. So I can take, with the help of student ID comma name, I can identify the record. So with the help of the student ID 1 and Akhil, I can fetch his phone number and age. And with the help of the student ID 2 and Akhil, I can fetch his phone number and age. So this is also a super key. Student ID can name. So the main theme here is that you have to find each record uniquely. That can uniquely identify each record. So that may be a single attribute or a set of attributes. So student ID, if you take with the help of only student ID, you can fetch each record. Or you can help of student ID and name, you can fetch the record. Or you can help with the help of only phone number, you can fetch the record. So phone number is also a unique identification. Means the same phone number will not hold for two people. Means I am having one phone number. The same phone number will not hold by another person. Okay, this is also unique. So here the phone number is also super key. A key is used to identify each record uniquely. That is the main concept. So what is a super key? A super key, simply you call it as a key or a set of attribute. A set of attributes within a table that can uniquely identify each record within a table. So here the first, if you take the student ID, is unique. Let me write the point so that you will not be confused. Student ID is unique in every row of data. So in every row of data, the student ID is unique. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means the same ID is not for two different people. Student ID is unique in every row of data. Hence, their ID means, hence it can be used to identify each row uniquely. So in this case, the student ID, you call it as a super key. Now coming to the second case. What is that? Student ID, comma, name. Okay. So here name of two students can be same. Okay. So the name of two students can be same. But their ID can't be same. So name may be same, but their ID can't be same. So this combination, hence, this combination is also be a key. So you can take this combination also to identify record uniquely. So this also, it may be a key. And similarly, third, that is a phone number. Phone number is unique. Hence, it can also be a key. Phone number is also a key. So totally in this table you are having the three super keys. Either is student ID, or you can fetch the record with the help of student ID and name, and you can fetch the record by using the phone number. So this is about the concept of the super keys. So in the next video I'll explain about and the keys. Thank you.